car fight.
Yeah, but there's another car on us. What the fuck?
You like that, don't you?
It's the best thing I've seen in my life.
You like that?
What
Take
just
that.
happened there?
I just got out of the car. Shit.
And then we just shot this guy and started smoking. He just changed seats and I'm like, what are you doing? Boom.
Player to the north. I'm gonna engage.
You're gonna engage.
I'm going to as soon as I get some cover.
Or south.
So that he's about northwest now. He's going for a tree.
There's people south too.
Yeah.
We didn't get Daddy.
No, he's got ground cover now. Fuck! Listen to that.
Yeah, come over here, dude. We've got the hill cover behind us. We'll have to be careful of the outskirts.
Whoa!
Oh, bro.
There's a dude near me, just right in front of me. Has to be in front of me.
That was shooting at me for sure. Man, it was fucking loud, I'll tell you that much.
Yeah, I know.
What was it, an AWM?
No, it was a fucking shotgun. I got him. I know where he is.
Where is he talking?
No, he's looking at me. He's looking for me. He's like two... Do you see me?
Yeah, I see
There's a tall tree, one shrub, then the next shrub up. He's in that. Just shoot it. To the west of me.
To the west.
So there's a tall tree in front of me, to my west. A taller tree. There's one shrub. He's in the second shrub. There he is. Yep. You got him.
Shoot him. Oh, you took my kill.
Sorry, bro.
Oh, good. Come up here. I'm a little worried now.
Just take cover, man. Just don't loot the body. Don't loot the body straight away.
This guy's sniping me. I hit him twice.
Oh yeah, I can see him.
I hit him 3 times. 4 hits, knocked him out.
Good shit.
One more hit, come on. Give me that. Oh, it's a good shot. Fuck. I don't really block this, man. It's good.
I just knocked 2 guys out, man. They were going after that loot. Yeah, they're coming after you.
Be careful.
Yeah, they are, man. You gotta be careful. How you going? You got health?
Yep.
Alright, cool, man. We're in a good position here.
Captain Zero said you to .B.
Oh, I see them coming from the west.
Alright.
There's 2.
Oh yeah, I see them.
Oh, what the fuck? Headshot? Wow, I was behind the hill and he barely...
Bro, I don't know if I can help.
You didn't move at all from there?
Nah, man.
Should have, the circle's way over here.
It is now.
Okay, kill me now. Okay, better win this for me?
Alright, bro, sorry. I just got 3 kills.
I thought you'd move over because it was a good position up there.
It's a great position, but I just don't know where the fuck everybody else is.
They're probably no, I can't see what I used to do. I've got the iron sights and the scope in. Oh, how are you inside the fucking circle? Oh my lord.
Fuck, he's got no boosts.
I know, I had some just on the other side of the hill there.
Yeah, I gotta fucking find out where these cunts are.
Yeah.
That fucking building.
Probably gonna hide in there too.
Yeah,
Oh, they're
they,
up there now. If you move to the right a bit, you'll be in cover because it's right on the edge there. So you hide behind the hill even and run it. Yeah, use the hill as cover there and crawl across.
there's some guy crawling very close to me.
Oh, you left.
Where is he?
I don't know, let's just walking. Whoa, he's right there. It's only
He's knocked out.
Yeah, really close.
Fuck off.
As long as you get the trees covered
There we go.
Yeah.
Go, I won! I fucking won! Yes! That's the first one! Yeah!